Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So I have a couple of cruise news stories that have come out today. I want to make sure I share them with you. That way you know, because they are things that can affect some of your upcoming cruises. First, we're going to start with Carnival Cruise Lines. So Carnival Cruise Lines has followed Norwegian Cruise Lines, and they have announced that there's going to be an increase in the ship's gratuities effective May the 1st. So for your standard staterooms, you currently pay $13.99 per person per day. Well, that price is going to go up to $14.50 per person per day for regular staterooms. And suites currently pay $15.99 per person per day, and that price is going to go up to $16.50 per person per day. And again, that is effective May the 1st. So if you have any future cruises booked and you have not yet paid the gratuities, you need to get those paid prior to May the 1st, or your gratuities will be at the new rate. So anything that is prepaid prior to May 1st, old rate. Anything prepaid after May the 1st, or any cruises taken after May the 1st, will all be at the new rate. So just something to keep in mind. Now, me personally, I don't mind if the gratuities go up just a little bit, because this is money that goes to the crew and money that benefits the crew members themselves. I always have crew members take really good care of us. Our stateroom, our dining room staff, every crew member around the ship has always been really great, really awesome. So like I said, I don't mind a little bit of an increase. But if you don't want to pay that increase, prepay prior to May the 1st. Next, we have Norwegian Cruise Lines. And Norwegian Cruise Lines has canceled the April 9th sailing on board the Norwegian Escape. Look, ever since the Norwegian Escape had ran aground on that sandbar, we have seen all cruises canceled since then, and it appears that the repairs are taking even longer than Norwegian originally thought, and it has caused another cancellation. So like I said, if you are currently booked on the April 9th sailing of the Norwegian Escape, you should have already received notification of this cancellation. And if you are booked on any future sailings of the Norwegian Escape, particularly here in April, this is definitely going to be something you're going to want to keep in mind, something you're going to want to keep an eye on, because it just is one cancellation after another as they continue to work on these repairs and get the Norwegian Escape properly seaworthy again. So according to Norwegian Cruise Lines, those that are booked on the April the 9th sailing do have the option to move to a different cruise on board the Norwegian Joy departing April the 9th, or the Norwegian Breakaway departing April the 10th, and also the Norwegian Dawn and the Norwegian Encore. And any passenger that moves their bookings to one of those other four cruises will also receive 100% future cruise credit for their current cruise fare. Or you can cancel your cruise altogether, get a 100% refund and a 50% future cruise credit. So you do have some options if you were booked on that April 9th sailing of the Norwegian Escape. And like I said, those are two stories that just came up this afternoon. Issues that can affect upcoming cruises if you are booked on them, or information you may need for upcoming cruises. So I wanted to get those out to you as soon as possible. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button down over here in the corner. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and this year we are trying to reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers. We got a few months left, a little over half a year, trying to hit that big 10,000 mark. So really would appreciate anybody that hits that subscribe button with us. Thank you in advance. All right, hope everybody has themselves a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.